Hi, now I'm making this video to enlighten females. Because females, more often than not, actually harm more animals than males. Yes, I'll hold this sign in Times Square, and rarely I'll get a guy who says, oh, I want a steak, I want a burger, when there's not even one on here. Yeah, most people eat about 37 land animals per year. 37 land animals. 35 are birds. They're small. You can eat a bird in like 2 meals. You could eat burgers every day, steak every day, and not eat 1 cow in a year. And nearly all birds are factory farmed. Look up a factory farm video. Horrible. Where they suffer from birth to death. Death is not the worst part. And a lot of females will come by me and say, oh, I don't eat red meat. Like they're doing a favor to animals. The opposite is true. So, also, females are more likely to own more shoes. It's just a culture thing. I'm not being sexist. More often, they own more shoes, coats, leather, or clothing made of cotton. Wool and such. And even UGG sheepskins is a huge trend. Yes, they're made from sheep skins where they torture the sheep. Look up videos. Pink did a video on it, the singer. They own more shoes. They own more pocketbooks made of leathers and animal skins. We're not cavemen. We don't need to eat or wear animals these days. And cosmetics, a lot of makeup is animal tested. If it doesn't specifically say on the back, not animal tested, assume it's animal tested. Go to places that don't, like the Body Shop. Some places say that they don't do animal testing. They have big logos in the store even. Ask them. Ask them to make it not animal tested. And these are all unnecessary. They have better methods than putting acid in bunnies' eyes. We know it's already dangerous for people, so you shouldn't even be doing it anyways, but it's unnecessary today. Look up animal testing videos, vivisection. So, consider your tall boots, leather boots that go up to your knee. How much leather is involved in that? It's not a value for your money when you get a triple burger for the same price as a double burger. It's hurting more animals. Consider your UGG sheepskins and wool clothing. Aside from the sweatshops, possibly. Know your sources. Know your sources. Let me repeat that. So, when a woman comes by and says, I only eat white meat, I don't eat red meat, you're doing more harm than good, and for your health as well, because nearly all birds come from factory farms where they manipulate them beyond comprehension. They grow twice the size in half the time as of 1970 from selective breeding, hormones, and antibiotics and other manipulative methods in sick factory farms where they live in their own excrement and waste. So you're not doing your health a favor. At least cows are less manipulated and less factory farmed. So, there you have it. Women do often abuse more animals, even though intentionally, than men. Look up a factory farm video. And please look for alternatives to your leather purses, your fur trim coat hoods. Sometimes they're actually mislabeled, and they are actually real. Rabbits and all sorts of animals. And simply leave animals alone. That's all. Thank you. And please share. I'm just trying to enlighten females to be more empowered, to make better decisions for animals' health. So consider animals as more than food and fashion or a fabric. Thank you. Please share. Furisdead.com as well.